East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my.
Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing another bang slash ponytail look. I will be letting you guys know all the details on this look and how I achieved it. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday and you don't want to miss them. Make sure you check the description box so you can get all the details on this unit, as well as other little coupon codes and discount codes that I have as well. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I am back with another ponytail. If you guys hadn't caught my ponytail videos before, go ahead and check them. I post all different type of hair videos. Y'all already know that. If you already subscribed to the channel, you know I post wig videos and hair videos, and I like good throw and go quick hairstyles. So in today's video, I picked this this is a drawstring bang pony in the name Samba. I got it in the color 2. I picked it up from Elevate Styles. Elevate Styles are every line. I'll have it in the description box for you guys. But it was less than 10 bucks. Again, we like all things affordable and everything that's quick and easy. So let me get this baby open so that we can talk about her. Okay, so this is what she looking like straight out of the package. I'm assuming this is your bang area here, and this is the pony or bun here. Look how pretty those curls are. They are gorgeous. This is definitely giving me type 4 vibes. So I cannot wait to try her on. Okay, so she does come with 2 combs in the bang area, and then there is, of course, a drawstring, and there's a comb here and a comb here. So it only comes with 2 combs. Looks pretty self-explanatory. Just pop it on your bun and give it a go. So I'm gonna remove my bandana for the time being and throw her on. Alright, y'all, so I don't have the combs in the front, but I do have the string tied in the back. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So I don't have the combs tied in the front. Tied in the front. I don't have the combs down in the front because I wanted the bang to flow freely, but this is giving me natural vibes. This almost looks like a mohawk, like a fro hawk. I think it would be cute if I put my bandana back on. Let's check it out. Oh yes, girlfriend. Yes, ma'am. Now you can't tell me this ain't my hair. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. Y'all know I'm natural too, so this is how my curl texture actually is. I have really tight curls. So this is like me 110% minus the frizz. My natural hair gets frizzy, but we're not even gonna get into that. So let's get into how I feel about this, y'all. So 1, bang for your buck. Of course, bang for your buck. Like, straight off the rip, sis, is less than $10. No question about it. 2, y'all saw how easy it was for me to put this on without any problems. You know, of course, if you already have your hair gathered in a ponytail, and listen, my hair wasn't even in a good ponytail because your girl been a little lazy lately. And so, you know, I just slicked it down. Got a little baby hair right here. It ain't even really slicked down all that well, but it's okay. because the bang cover it up. So, you know, if you're having one of those lazy days where you don't feel like doing your natural hair, but you also don't have the time to put on the wig, this is it. Like, this is it. This is beginner friendly, budget friendly. I don't know how friendly, how easier it can get. Like, she is, y'all, look at this. This looks like my hair. You can't tell me it's not my hair. Would I recommend 110%? Like, first of all, I need to go back and check out this company, the original drawstring Samba, Harlem125, where style begins. I need to go back and look for some more, because baby girl done gave me everything I needed plus some. And look, y'all, they have different type of bang pony looks. So now I want to go back and get all of them. They got one that's coily. This looks like a type 3. This looks like this is probably type 4, maybe like 4B, 4C. And then this one looks like it's more of a 4A, 4B. So this is like right up my alley, y'all. I am in love. I'm in love. I would probably just bring my ponytail up a little bit more so that the bang could come down a little bit more, because I like for my bang to kind of, and I could just pull the curls out some, but I really don't want to pull them out because I like how tight they are, because they remind me of my natural hair. Yeah, could just pull the curls out a little bit more, but I'm not. I like for my bang to kind of be in my forehead a little bit. Y'all, she is it. Like, this is it. And this ain't no, you know, y'all saw me do this. This not one where you got to put the tracks in, because y'all know y'all be seeing the girlies on her that have the tracks here, and then they do a little track ponytail and they make it into a bun. No, ma'am. This is all in one wop. This is it. She is it. I am in love. Okay, y'all. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this. Like, what are you guys, how do you guys feel about these ponytails that I'm bringing y'all? Like, is this something y'all interested in? Are y'all getting the same vibe that I'm getting? Because I love something that keeps me natural. Because listen, your girl don't have time to wear wigs all the time. Like, in my everyday life, I do not wear wigs all the time. I had to let my natural hair breathe. And so that means, you know, a wig got to come off in a week or two. That's as long as I keep them on. So being able to be versatile and have other hairstyles is right up my alley. And then still keeping that time frame down, you know, because like we talked about before, we live busy lifestyles. A lot of us are wives, mothers. We work 8 to 5 plus content creation. You know, we busy. And so this is something you get your bang for your buck. Like, throw it on and go out the door. And I am absolutely in love. So if you are in love just as much as I am, please drop a heart in the comments and let me know what you think about this. Would you wear it? Would you pick it up? Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.